a man boarded the midnight train, intending to visit a friend he hadn't spoken to in years after a bitter argument. As the train traveled through the night, he found himself in conversation with an elderly passenger who spoke of the importance of forgiveness. By the end of the journey, the man realized he had held onto his anger for far too long. When he arrived, he knocked on his friend's door, ready to let go of the past. Sometimes the journey we take is more important than the destination. Subscribe for more stories of reconciliation and hope.